Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Todd Anderson, DDS, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a scientifically advanced oral care innovation, OxyBurst Powdered Rinse. This effervescent powdered mouth rinse is formulated to neutralize acidity, remineralize teeth, and fight bacteria, all while offering the ultimate convenience. Unlike traditional liquid mouthwashes, OxyBurst is designed to restore the optimal pH balance of your mouth and protect your enamel using the latest research in nano-hydroxyapatite technology. We're launching a limited release in March 2025, so stay tuned for your chance to try this breakthrough oral care product. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional dental advice. Always consult your dentist for personalized recommendations. Traditional mouthwashes have been a staple in oral care, but they come with several drawbacks. Many contain alcohol, acidic preservatives, and artificial ingredients that can disrupt the natural oral microbiome and weaken tooth enamel over time. Additionally, bulky liquid bottles are inconvenient for travel, making it harder to maintain consistent oral hygiene on the go. For individuals in rehabilitation programs, correctional facilities, or those managing medical conditions like dry mouth, access to effective oral care is even more challenging. Many of these individuals are only advised to rinse with water after taking medication, which fails to restore the critical minerals lost due to acid exposure. OxyBurst solves these issues by offering an easy-to-use powdered rinse that neutralizes acid, repairs enamel, and fights harmful bacteria, all in one single-use portable sachet. One of the best parts about OxyBurst is that it's affordable and accessible. Each single-use packet will start at just $1, meaning that for $1 to $2 per day, you can protect your teeth, fight cavities, and strengthen your enamel with the best available science. We will also be offering subscription options and flexible purchasing plans, so you can either buy as you go or subscribe for automatic deliveries. For about $30 per month, you can ensure you always have this breakthrough oral care product on hand, making it easier than ever to maintain strong, healthy teeth and a balanced oral pH every single day. Would you spend $1 a day to protect your teeth and prevent expensive dental treatments in the future? OxyBurst makes it possible. One of the biggest threats to your teeth is acidic demineralization. When the pH in your mouth drops below 5.5, enamel begins to dissolve, leaving teeth vulnerable to decay and sensitivity. According to research by Pushpalata et al., 2023, nano-hydroxyapatite, NHA, is one of the most effective remineralization agents available because it mimics the natural structure of enamel, allowing it to penetrate deep into enamel pores and restore lost minerals. OxyBurst Powdered Rinse is formulated to help buffer your oral pH back to an optimal range of 7.5 or higher, which promotes remineralization and prevents acid-related enamel erosion. Unlike fluoride, which only strengthens the outer enamel layer, nano-hydroxyapatite actively rebuilds tooth structure by delivering calcium and phosphate ions directly into weakened areas. By using OxyBurst regularly, you can counteract the effects of acidic foods and drinks, maintain a stable pH, and enhance enamel durability over time. A critical but often overlooked issue in dentistry is the damage caused by medications that are acidic and dissolved in your mouth, which is commonly used for opioid recovery. Because these medications dissolve under the tongue, it exposes the teeth to prolonged acid attacks, leading to accelerated enamel erosion, cavities, and gum disease. Many patients are advised to rinse with water after taking these types of medications, but plain water does not neutralize acid or remineralize enamel. OxyBurst was specifically formulated to be used as a follow-up rinse after Suboxone. Unlike regular water, it actively neutralizes oral acidity, restores essential minerals using nano-hydroxyapatite, and strengthens enamel weakened by prolonged acid exposure. Scientific studies including Pushpalata et al., 2023, highlight how nano-hydroxyapatite works by forming a biomimetic layer over exposed dentin, reducing sensitivity and protecting against demineralization. This makes OxyBurst an essential solution for anyone taking Suboxone or other acidic medications. OxyBurst Powdered Rinse is packed with 18 powerful ingredients designed to clean, protect, and strengthen your teeth in one rinse. Here's how it works. Sodium percarbonate releases oxygen bubbles that deep clean your mouth and freshen your breath. Tartaric acid provides a gentle effervescence, helping to dislodge debris without harming enamel. Potassium bicarbonate acts as a pH buffer, neutralizing acidity and creating the ideal environment for remineralization. Xylitol fights cavity-causing bacteria and prevents plaque from forming on teeth. Neem leaf powder, combined with lysozyme or mutinase enzyme, delivers natural antibacterial action, reducing harmful bacteria and promoting a healthier mouth. Ground cloves act as a natural antiseptic, helping to reduce bacteria while also providing mild gum pain relief. Nano-hydroxyapatite is the key to enamel repair and strengthening, mimicking the natural structure of your teeth to fill microscopic damage and restore lost minerals. Calcium glycerophosphate provides an additional source of calcium and phosphate, further supporting enamel remineralization. Aloe vera and chamomile extract work together to soothe irritated gums and reduce inflammation, making OxyBurst ideal for sensitive mouths. Sodium cocoyl isethionate creates a gentle foaming action, ensuring a thorough yet non-irritating clean. Resveratrol and green tea extract add antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, helping to protect gums from oxidative stress and bacterial buildup. Peppermint oil and menthol crystals provide a cool, refreshing taste, leaving your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. Roasted bamboo salt supplies trace minerals that support oral health and improve product stability. Magnesium stearate ensures the powder dissolves evenly in water, giving you a smooth, effective rinse every time. Every ingredient works together to neutralize acid, rebuild enamel, and fight bacteria, making OxyBurst one of the most advanced oral care solutions available today. OxyBurst Powdered Rinse will have a limited release in March 2025, and we want you to be among the first to experience this breakthrough in oral care. Whether you're looking for a daily enamel repair solution, a pH balancer, or a specialized rinse for Suboxone users, OxyBurst was created for you. For just $1 to $2 per day, you can protect your teeth, fight cavities, and restore enamel with the latest advancements in dental science. We'll also be offering subscription options and flexible purchasing plans, so you can either buy as you go or subscribe for just $30 a month to keep your smile strong and healthy. Visit www.curateddental.com to sign up for early access and explore more great products designed for consumers and special needs patients who deserve better oral care. This is our first premium oral care product invented and developed with you in mind, and we're on a mission to help millions of people improve their oral health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. What do you think about OxyBurst? Would you try a powdered oral rinse like this? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.